When things go right and are happening according to your wish and will, you are super duper happy. You are celebrating, you're joyous, right? What do you do when things are not going according to your wish? When the surrounding, the circumstances are really not according to you? What do you do? What do you do? Let me know in the comments. Because that's the catch point. All this so called education and everything, where does it come? And how does it help us? So, what to do when things are not going right? Because we know when things are going right, what to do. We are experts in that, right? It's very easy. But how to be and what to do when things are not according to us? So, if you're new to my channel, I'm Dr. Poonam Maurya, founder at Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS, yes, your inner hidden doctor, your mind, body, breath, and soul. Welcome. So in our MBBS, you know that we are talking about the holistic, happy, healthy, holistic life. And MBBS is nothing but your mind, body, breath, and soul. So I was asking you, what do you do when things do not go according to your will? Now it's very easy to become sad and to curse the God, to curse the people around, to curse the circumstances around, and become unhappy. Becoming unhappy is the easiest thing to do. Becoming sad, listening to sad songs, or cursing people, blaming people, getting angry, getting frustrated, these are all the common reactions that one would choose. But again, what you choose in these circumstances says a lot about you and also helps you to transform yourself. Because, my dear friends, your transformation is not in the happy times. Your transformation is not happening. You are not evolving in your successful happy times. You are truly evolving. You are truly transforming in your difficult times. The way you look at your difficulty, the way you have chosen, the way you have tackled your challenges, the way you see them, that determines your attitude. And this is what is going to be the real transformation in your life. Your pain is your power. Yes, your pain is your power. If you can just convert and direct this pain into the power to really understand and reflect, why is this happening? This is not the time to get angry and blame people. Everything in our life is coming to teach us a lesson. And if we do not learn the lesson, it will keep coming back. So let us see, why is this happening? Whatever is not going according to your wish, according to your will, you are unhappy, you are dissatisfied, you are frustrated, but start reflecting. This is the time to pause and be in silence and reflect, either in your mind or in a book, doesn't matter, but start reflecting. Start that self-awareness on who you are. Who you are, what do you really want? Why is this even happening? Have I invited this? Is something wrong with me or something wrong with the other person, or I just stop the blame game and leave it to God that everything is happening for the good? So these are some of the questions that we need to reflect. Why are these circumstances coming? What is it teaching me? Am I need to change? Or I need to take my strategy different? Or I need to change my attitude? And my dear friends, the only thing you can control, is you. Because you can't change the world, you can't change the situation, you can't change people around you. It's not meant to be. It may not be possible, it's not meant to be. Because people have freedom, people have right to be at their own. Because they are at their own level, right? It's only you who have the power and the choice to choose what you want to be, who you want to be in such situations. And my dear friends, if you choose, if you do the self-reflection, if you do the self-awareness, write down the answers of these questions of who you are. What is that you really want? What is that you really want to do? And what is that change needed? These self-reflecting questions will enable you to become your new you. Because then you would learn a lesson that probably you are not doing things right, or you need a change. And this change is the real change that evolves you. So we look at challenges, we look at problems in a very because of societal conditioning, or because of the childhood conditioning, whatever you can say. Whenever a problem comes, whenever a failure comes, it's like it's very easy to get sad, unhappy, frustrated, right? But my dear friends, whenever challenges come, if you understand that it's coming to teach me, to evolve me, to make me, and not to break me, everything is coming to make you, it's not coming to break you. If we understand this, if we embrace this, then we will never be afraid of the challenges. We will always learn, we'll always be a lifelong learner. So learn the lesson, be humble, and self reflection is the key in such conditions where things are not going according to you. And if you like this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks a lot.